My name is Lois Wandera. I am the leading founder of METRICSAT. METRICSAT is a Luxembourgish company, and our mission is to promote inclusive climate action through offering simple technology that can be used on a day-to-day basis. The TopFodder idea is very personal to me. I grew up in a household which basically depended on subsistence farming. And by my professional experience, I know what climate is doing to these small-scale farmers. They simply lack a source of reliable information that can help them change the way they do things. Technology is already existing, the data is there. The only thing is the farmer is not able to access this information and the resources. So we have built a simple feature phone mobile application. With this, the farmers can get alerts on time, when to plant, when to harvest, when to check the soil moistures in their fields, and this way they can actually adapt their practices to really be able to tackle the impacts of climate. The Circular by Design Challenge has actually been a very inspirational experience for us, me and my colleague in TopFodder, because when we joined the challenge, it was simply an idea. But with the guidance in coaching, we've been able to actually come up with the MVP that we are actually ready to showcase. The idea is to contribute in the global food systems through regenerative agriculture. But not only that, by doing this, we really enable farmers to really rely on their produce and ultimately improve their livelihoods.